of a complex number can be obtained as by just multiplying the complex number n times with itself if n is an integer. So if z is a plus j times b, then if n is an integer, then z to the n can be obtained by just multiplying z with itself n minus 1 times, or multiplying 1 with z n times. And it is just a plus j times b to the n, and you can also expand this using a binomial formula that if you know how, if you remember that formula. But it's a lot easier again to think of raising z to power n if you think of the polar representation for z. So if z is given by r times e to the j theta, then notice that z to the n is r times e to the j theta raised to n, which is r to the n times e to the j n times theta. And this works for any power n. It doesn't necessarily have to be an integer. And so it's rather easy to compute for any power of n. And that's basically all I want to say about the nth power of a complex number.